Okay, wires are now fed up and through. Comes up here for the interior light. I will be putting a clip in there to hold that back further. And then we go through to the boot. And in here, you can see I have now got the wires here. Whoops. Let's attach that somewhere sensible. Okay, this goes across the other side. I'll show you in a second. These have to connect to these here, and that will just tuck up under there. Those wires there, they need to connect to these. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this now. I'm going to take it across this side, bring it down this arm, and then up here I will bring it through here. Now, if you can see it, oops, sorry, hang on a second. See there, right in that corner. In fact, if I can... Ooh, bear with me a second here, guys. I'm just trying to get the light in the right place. And that, now my hand's in the way then. Haha, there. Can you see that? Way in front of my finger, there is a grommet. That's where the cables come through. That's where this cable will come through to go across the back. And as you can see, it will attach underneath there to the lights on the other side. Well, the wiring harness. As I said, this is going to come down here, and that will connect to these wires, but they will be coming out through that hole in there, way down in the depths. Heesh kebab. It's a voyage of discovery, it really is. I didn't even know that there was a hole over there, but of course it was 20 odd years ago I took this thing apart, so give me a bit of leeway, will you? Alright, so now what I've got to do is get my arm up this hole and feed those wires through, which shouldn't be difficult. Let's try. Okay, here it is. These connections are now made. Sorry, I'm just trying to... Oop, it's stuck to my screwdriver. As you can see, two purple greens connected to a purple green. One green connected to a white green, that's the turn signal. And two reds connected to one red, which is obviously well, I'm going to say obviously the stoplight. To be honest, I can't remember which one was the stoplight, which one's the side light. But however, the car knows, so that's all that matters. Up there in the corner now, hard to see, isn't it? Can you see it? There it is. Up in that corner, the wire comes through that lovely grommet and then scoots up across here. Also here, hang on, let me see if I can get it in position. I'm looking at this now. So now here I have the connections for the boot lights, reverse light, number plate light, etc., etc. There. Now, I think, therefore I am, that'll be okay left like that. I believe that when the hinge comes down, this will get pushed that way and therefore will not get trapped. If I find it does, then I will find a method of holding it over there. Don't know how yet, but that's something I can deal with. Okay, so there it is there. Now, those wires that go across here, there they are, will link up to the other wiring harnesses. This is harness that is going to come through that grommet there. You can see it. So now, I guess my task is to get that harness in, then go back inside and deal with the various connections. And those will be tucking this cable in here properly with a tie. I've got to make those wooden pieces that go up there. And I've got to get the harness in here that connects to these that comes up here and pops out of that grommet up there. And these grommets are, well, some of them are. No, that one's fucked. I'm going to replace that grommet up there because I am fucked. I mean, just, yeah, there's no two ways I'm going to be using that grommet up there. It's just bleh. So not sure how those wires will feed through. They're going to be fun. All right. Okay, final connections to be made here. Get those to go in, blue and white. Well, sorry, purple and white and purple. Get those squeezed together. Wires are out the top here, ready for the interior lights. Nothing I can do about that until I get those in. Over here, as you previously saw, the rear interior lights. So that's good. Same over the other side. They're all done now, ready in position. Now all I have to do is find the wiring harness that my brother hid and took out of the bag and didn't mark it. Get you for that, brother. But fortunately I have a choice of one, although hopefully, yeah, no, that should be okay. There is just one harness to go there. I've got that there, and oh shit, we're getting closer and closer by the minute. Must remember, put grommet in hole, both sides. Do that now. Again, just to show you grommets in the correct place. Now, I lost, stupidly, I lost 2 grommets inside this B-post. So either order more grommets or be more careful than I was. They dropped inside, I can't find them, so that's all right. I've got a shitload of grommets here, and it's not going to be a problem, but it was, I just thought, oh crap, where'd that go? No grommets here. Got to take the lights out and see what they require. I know I do have to make those pieces of wood. And that's about it. Oh, I got to roll the ceiling. I know this is silly shit, but got to roll the ceiling. Not quite sure why there's watermarks on that, in all honesty. That must, well, that's a surprise to me. This car lives in my garage, so how come there's watermarks? That's very strange. All right, I'll figure it out. Okay, this may seem a strange part of the video. This is the left-hand side wiring harness, and you can see it's kind of coiled up. Well, the reason for that is it's fucking cold in here in Arizona at the moment, and that fucking sucks. It really does. So I'm trying to hang it up and let gravity do its bit. Excuse me. Got a frog in the throat. And kind of stretch it out. Really sucks. I live in Arizona because I like warmth. And for the last 2 days, it's been pissing down. Anybody think I was in Oregon or England? And I hate them both. Well, I can't say I hate Oregon. I've never been there. I certainly hate England. Anyway, one thing I did discover was, oh, this wire, I thought that was for the handbrake on the other side. So maybe I'm wrong there. So I'm going to leave this to sit here for a day, 2 days, whatever it takes. And hopefully it will dingle dangle down. Hang on, sorry, I got my door in the way here. I mean, this obviously is the main connections that will be, if I'm correct, they will go to the front of the car. Don't you just love it when that happens? Sorry, excuse me. Sorry, guys, you're gonna put up with this while I put it back up again. There. There's all sorts of wires. Now these ones, oh, that is certainly one of the interior lights. And that I have no fucking clue. And these are, yes, they're wires. They're definitely wires. Okay, we know they're wires. Good. I think, I'm sorry, I'm being stupid. I think these are for the fuel pump. Because the fuel pump lives here, and this is the harness that goes on this side of the car. These are interior light ones, as we've discovered, you know, with the purple and blue, purple and white. And these are for some lights. And yes, there's the purple and white. The white, I'm not quite sure what the white is. And that is I believe, a turn signal. And that could be a brake light. Who knows? I mean, there is a standard, and I haven't memorized it. It's as simple as that. All right. That's it for the moment on here. Next will be me getting this harness in to that side of the car. And any of you that are bored with the wiring harness videos, damn, isn't life a bitch?